So, hi guys, so this is a DELL Optiplex 3040. So I'm going to show you how to open up this, unbox this CPU. It's very easy. So first thing first, of course I've unscrewed all the screws, you see, so loosen up. Okay, loosen up here. Okay, so let's proceed. We make it fast. Just put it down like this. Just open up like this. Okay, gently.
Slower.
Okay, then just unclip this 3-pin, make it stand, and then just open it like a door. Take it off slowly. Put it down like this, and now we're going to leave this thing. You see, it's quite tough, but it's okay. What you have to do is you just pressure a bit. Just pressure it. Then there you go. Nice and easy. Anything you need to do is all here. So we're gonna take this hard drive out. How do we do that? We will unplug the cable first. Okay. Now we have to put it down. Go to the front. It's a bit different series to series. How do you take it out? Now there is a bay cap here. You just pull it out, and then you will just press this down and take it out. As easy as that.